Hey guys, Three Rivers Card Collector here, back with another video. Today I've got one pickup I want to show off, and then I'm also going to break a box of this 2021 Ultimate and 22-23 Series 1 that I picked up in my LCS. It was Customer Appreciation Day. So if you spend so much money, you got some raffle tickets to try to win some autographs and stuff. I've been a customer there ever since I started collecting when I was about 5 or so. So it was good to pop in there on Appreciation Day and just show some love to them. My big pickup today finally came in the mail. What's this? 2005 Fleer Ultra Alexander Ovechkin in a PSA 9. Goes with my Crosby in the back. Crosby obviously in a much better grade. Two best players of my generation so far. Connor McDavid, I think, is going to cement himself up there as well. But Ovechkin, I think, is the best goal scorer I've ever seen. And then Crosby, a little biased maybe, but I think he's just overall a better all-around hockey player. So let's start with this Ultimate here. I've opened a few boxes of this in the past. It's fun. I normally don't get my value back out of this stuff, but to me it's a fun rip. You can get some good stuff in here. So let's see if how we do in this pack. If it wants to come out. There it goes. So you get 2 autos, a couple base cards, and a jersey card in here. So we got Ultimate Introductions, Alexander True. Ooh, we got a redemption. I don't know whose redemption's in this. Hopefully it's not expired. We got a Maxim Latunov, Rookie Accents auto. That's out of 99. Was this numbered? No, it's just acetate. So not a great auto there, but we'll save the redemption for last. We got a Philippe Maillet jersey card out of 649. I think we got 4 cards per pack. All right, so let's see what we got here. We got Ultimate Collection, Signature Masterpieces. Ryan O'Reilly. Okay, it's not expired. I'm not really sure. Masterpieces. CD. I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to look that up. Hopefully it's something pretty cool. I wonder what there are odds on here, yeah. I don't really want to look too far into this. Signature Masterpieces, 1 in 17 boxes. I'll have to look and see what those look like, and then get that guy redeemed. Pretty average box, I think. It's my second Latunov auto. He's not a good rookie out of that stuff. Alright, so let's open the Series 1 here. I'm still not super familiar with this rookie class, so you'll have to excuse me if I pass up a couple good young guns or something. The problem with Series 1 is it's usually like people who might get called up. There's only a couple big name guys, but ever since they started doing extended series, it kind of takes out a lot of those people who started playing at the end of the year. I don't know how I feel about it, but it is what it is. All right, so we'll start with this stack here. I always like breaking the hobby boxes of this. You normally get some cool parallels and inserts and stuff. So we got TJ Oshie, Justin Falk, Alexander Wennerberg, We got a defense mechanism of Aaron Ekblad. That's a really cool insert there. I like some of the inserts they got this year, so hopefully we got a couple other examples in here. Kyler Yamamoto, Cole Caulfield, Barclay Goodrow, and Jose Saros. Do up close to the base cards. It looks like you kind of got some like skate lines on the bottom there. I think that's what that's supposed to represent. Really clean cards. I like the picture takes up most of the card and then a little bit of a border on there. I think it's a good looking design. We got Samuel Girard, Karl Vejmelka, Ryan Donato. Another defense mechanisms. This one is John Carlson. Got Kyle Okposo, Kyle Connor, Josh Bailey, and Kaapo Kähkönen. Past couple of years, they've done a bigger border. Last year I had that big black border on the side. I wasn't a fan of that. I thought it took away from the overall appearance of the card. They did a good job here, though. Brendan Gallagher, Sonny Milano, Victor Olofsson. We got a debut dates of Tanner Jeannot. Good up-and-coming guy for the Predators. Got some foily action going on with these. It's kind of cool. Got Philippe Hronek, Brandon Hagel, Jake Gensel, and Alex Ovechkin. We got Nicola Ehlers, Anthony Bevelier, Erik Karlsson, who's having a great year, Lucas Raymond. We got a superstar honor rolls of Nikita Kucherov. I like these better this year than last year's. I thought they're kind of cheesy last year. Got a Nico Hischier, Niels Hoglander, and Drake Batherson. Comment below what you think of the reverse retro jerseys this year. I think there's some good ones, some interesting ones. Not really sure how I feel about them given the Kraken and the Golden Knights jerseys, but I think overall they did a pretty good job. We got Vasily Podkolzin, Philip Kurashev, Brady Ski. So here's our first young gun, Kent Johnson. Kind of rainbowy on the bottom. Nice clear young guns on there. I really like them this year compared to last year. Really nice looking cards. Got Jason Robertson, Cal Peterson, Brock Nelson, and Cole Sillinger. The Penguins jersey, I really like that they brought back the quote-unquote Robo Pigeon with the triangle. I really like that insignia. Not necessarily a common thought, but I don't like all the yellow on top. It kind of reminds me of the Bruins when they're playing. Not a huge fan, but I think they did a pretty good job on them. Got Stuart Skinner, Anthony Stolarz, Tanner Jeannot, Victor Arvidsson. We got UD portraits of Cale Makar. Much different than last year. I don't know if you remember last year's. It was kind of a full sepia picture of the person. Like just a headshot. Kind of like those better. Tony DeAngelo, Jake Evans, and Adam Henrique. We got Anthony Lundell, Alex Kerfoot, Alex Newhook. So we got a pop count 1000. These are new insert this year. This is of John Gibson. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's pop count 1000 because there's only 1,000 of these. So it's like a numbered card without it having a specific serial number. That's my understanding of it. Correct me if I'm wrong, though. Kind of a clean looking card, though. 1000's not the lowest numbered, but we got an Adam Raska, Young Guns. Got Pius Suter, Eric Johnson, Alex Killorn. We're gonna have to start looking up some of these Young Guns in here, try to figure out who's playing well, who's gonna start playing soon. I know a couple of guys, but not many of them. We got Morgan Barron, Anton Forsberg, Colton Parayko, Alex Tuck. Got a Dazzlers of Owen Power. That's a good one. He's one of the Young Guns in this set. Got the fireworks going on. I'm not really sure what the all the little symbols in the back are. I don't know if it's supposed to be like writing or something. I don't know. It just looks like a bunch of squares, but nice card there. We got a Yanni Hakanpää, Anthony Mantha, and Pavel Buchnevich. All right, we got JT Compher, Ryan Reeves. Got a Dylan Larkin. Got Center of Attention, Anze Kopitar. So these are all centers, kind of to go along with the defense mechanisms being defenders. Kind of got some raised stuff going on there on the front. Nice looking inserts there. Love to get a Crosby one. We got Brandon Tanev, Jonas Brodin, Jonathan Dahlin, and Robin Lehner. We got Victor Hedman, Tristan Jarry, Vitek Vanacek, Andreas Johnson, short print of Connor McDavid. That's pretty sweet. They always do these suits parallels, they call them. That's sweet. Got Cam Talbot, Spencer Knight, and Mikhail Sergachev. Quinn Hughes, Connor Brown, Ryan Suter. Got a Young Guns of Eric Kallgren. Goalies are always good to pull. Cale Makar, Mason Appleton, Alex Fermenton, and Jordan Kyrou. Got John Merrill, Kyle Palmieri, Alexander Texier, a Jesper Fast. We got a Canvas Young Guns of Caden Korczak. I know nothing about him. These are the Canvas Young Guns this year. Similar to last year's, I do like how they keep everything small in the bottom this year. Just lets the picture kind of own the card. So I'll have to look him up. Got Jeff Skinner, Jonathan Toews, and Alexi Lafreniere. All right, halfway through. Decent box so far. I'd love to see some parallels here, either clear cut or exclusive or high gloss. I don't know if McDavid short print's gonna take that or what, or the pop count, but let's see. Got Roman Josi, Casey Middlestat, Trevor Moore, Milan Lucic. Got Josh Bailey canvas, Alex Nedeljkovic, Tanner Pearson, and Juhar Khaira. Kevin Hayes, Lawson Krause, Ilya Sorokin. Got Jacob Moverare, Young Guns. Martin Nikas, Darnell Nurse, Jacob Silverberg, and Dante Fabro. These boxes are always long-winded. You get 24 packs, I think. Yep, 24 packs. You get lots of cards. Joel Farabee, Garnett Hathaway. Interesting picture there. Jake Muzzin, Drew Doughty. All right, so this is a Sean Couturier Variante Francais. So this is the French. So you can see everything's in French on the back. Kind of hard to pick out, like if you didn't know where the inserts come in the packs, that'd be kind of hard to pick out there. But that's our French. I think you get one per box this year. Mackenzie Weegar, Pavel Francois, and Nick Schmaltz. Jackie Aces, Clayton Keller. Here's our McDavid base card. We got rookie retrospective of Nico Daws. 10 wins, 551 saves. Cool insert there. We got Timo Meier, Ryan Johansson, Henry Jokiharju, and Sean Durzi. All right, last stack here. Got Alex DeBrincat, Nico Daws, Morgan Rielly, Cam Fowler. We got a clear cut of Tanner Pearson. Love clear cuts, kind of hoping for a rookie though, but you can't win them all. Oliver Kylington, Carter Hart, and Troy Terry. Got Jordan Binnington, Neil Pionk, Jared McCann. That's one of the good young guns right there. Matt Boldy. He's probably top 2 young guns this year so far. Adam Pelech, Sean Couturier, English version, John Carlson, and Mitch Marner. Pasternak, Dylan Strome, Matthias Ekholm with the cancer awareness jersey on there. Jeff Carter, we got a Tom Wilson Upper Deck canvas. Don't like him as a Pens fan. Boone Jenner, Jamie Alexiak, and Charlie Coyle. Got Johnny Gaudreau, Carter Verhaeghe, Rasmus Ristolainen. Got a rookie retrospective of Jonathan Dahlin. 12 goals, 7 power play points. Got checklist of Jason Robertson and Igor Shesterkin. JT Miller, Frederick Gaudreau, and Cheeks are clapping in. Got Alexander Barkov, Kale Clague, Chris Kreider, Nathan Bastian, Superstar Honor Rolls of JT Miller. Got Tyler Toffoli, Elvis Merzlikins, and Jake Allen. Dennis Gurnov, Jacob Markstrom, Igor Sharangovich. Got a Braden Tracy, Young Guns. Brad Marchand, Connor Murphy, Mike Hoffman, and Owen Tippett. Jacob Verona, Gabriel Landeskog, got a Braden Point, Miro Heiskanen, we got a UD Portraits of Artemi Panarin, Rasmus Anderson, Mason Marchment, and Oscar Lindblom. All right, last pack. Let's end with a bang here. Got Joel Eriksson Ek, Mario Ferraro, Chandler Stevenson, got a Matt Zuccarello, and a canvas of Nathan McKinnon. Very underrated, undervalued player, I think. Zach Werenski, Andrew Mangiapane, and Damon Severson. That'll do it for the video. Let me know what you guys picked up this weekend. Kind of a weird spot with sports. Football's kind of getting into the dog days, if that's a thing. Lots of snow cancellations and stuff. Hockey's not quite full throttle yet. Still early in the season. Still lots of injuries and teams trying to figure stuff out. But let me know what you guys are picking up. Comment below what you thought about these two boxes and my OV in the background there. I'll catch you on the next video. Good luck with your collecting.